hold up, don't scroll past this opportunity. Located in Coalhurst, Alberta, we're just a 5 minutes drive from Lethbridge, meaning that out here you get that small town vibe and small town charm without being too far away from those big city amenities. And right here in this sleepy cul-de-sac is my newest listing that features 3 beds, 2 full bathrooms, and a unique 4-level split layout that provides a ton of opportunities for you and your family. So stepping in the front door is the living room that is drenched with natural light, and overlooking the living room is your dining room and kitchen area. Now, just imagine what this place could look like with a few small renovations, like new cabinets, new light fixtures, and maybe even some new paint. Stepping up to the second level is a total of 3 bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom for those bedrooms to share. Now, all 3 of those bedrooms are a really good size. However, I do know that the carpets are a bit dated and they are original to the home. But again, with a little bit of renovations, you're bound to put in some serious sweat equity into this property. Stepping down just 1 level into the main living area of the home, you're going to be greeted by a large open area that's complete with a cozy wood fireplace that's going to be incredible to snuggle up in front of after a long day, or of course, during those winter months. There's also a 3-piece bathroom down here, but I could really see that area being used as a TV room or a theater room, or even a games room. And finally, the lowest level is a large undeveloped basement that could be used to be renovated into another bedroom, another bathroom, or even a home gym. And if you guys want to learn more about this crazy opportunity, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team. All my information is located down below. And if you guys never want to miss another video, just subscribe.